Visual content is very important on social media or any in digital marketing. Visual image or images are really very important. So whether it's Google display ads or it's an Facebook advertisements or it's an ebook cover, the graphics is something very important. So if you're not a graphic designer, you can always use this tool which is known as Canva. You can see that I'm just creating this ebook design. You can see that ebook design which I'm designing it right now in Canva, and if I click here it will show to you. So this is what I'm designing as of now. You can see 9, 8. So I'm just creating this ebook, how you can create compelling Facebook ads for lead generation, and you can see that this is what I have designed using such tools as well. It's a fantastic tool that you can use. I've just used Canva. Canva is used for a lot of things that you can use, and then what you can do is you can always download this, let's say all pages, and I can download. So what will happen is this will come to my this will store on my system, and I can use very easily as well. So you can see that I've just created one ebook on Facebook, which is again an important lead magnet. So you can do a lot of things. So whether it's a social media creative or ebook, or whether it's a flyer or brochure, you can do a lot of things with the help of Canva. And the best thing is you can always go with the paid plan. It's not that costly, but it's worth. So you can always use this tool. I'll give an example. So you just see that we're talking about ebooks, and I've just created an ebooks. So that's nice. And sometime this will get downloaded as well, and we'll see that version as well. So that is important. And next thing which is important is I can also show you, like, there are a lot of options which are available in case, let's say, if you want to create Facebook cover page, or if you want to create Facebook ad, or let's say, so there are a lot of options available which I'll show to you. Okay, so you can see that I will show you. So that ebook has been downloaded. So let's say what you can do is you can see a lot of things that you can do. Fine. So let's say, for example, if you're searching for, let's say, you can go to home option, and you can do a lot of things. You can do a lot of things. For example, if you want to create Facebook cover, you can do it easily, or Facebook post, you can do it easily, or Facebook cover page. There are a lot of things that you can do. Or let's say browse all. You see a lot of options. So documents, presentation, or literal head, or resume. You could do a lot of things. Facebook ads, it's a white skyscraper, or medium. So probably if you're running Google display ads, you can always use these tools as well. Education, worksheet, plan, report, a lot of things that you can do. Marketing, logo, poster, flyer, events, personal. You can do a lot of things with the help of Canva, and that makes Canva really a fantastic tool as well. Fine. So this is very important for creating visual content. Fine. So important.